I thought I'd give you a bit of an update. I've made another sort of part to the sluice, and along the lines I said with the last video I did when we were in the water, that I was going to put a top piece on that would sort of you could just lay the bucket in and then get it higher in the sluice. So I'll show you what I've done. This. So this goes down, so it drops in. This is the same height it was before, so I've dropped it in 30 mils. So hopefully down here this should be in the water, and then what will end up happening is that I should be able to just dump it into here from one of these sides and just dump it in, and then it'll classify or wash it, and then I put this wee hole, so it's sort of about, I don't know, 15 mils I suppose across the front of it, so it'll classify into there, so any big rocks can stay up here and I can just chuck them off or do whatever I need to do. But yeah, so hopefully I can just put it on the side, dump it into here, the water should come whistling down there, and then clean what's in here and straight into my sluice. So that should take care of that. I thought, oh well, I might as well stick some more mat in there, just for something, you know, extra put in there. But I've made the front of it, so now it's sort of a straight hole that goes down on top of where the other mat goes. So yeah, might be a bit of dicking around with that just to make that right, but hopefully that should be strong enough to take the bucket and the load in there, and then yeah, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes. But it's starting to look like more like a bloody spaceship now. But anyway, yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'll try it and come back to you when we're on the water. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed. Catch you next one.